So over here you can see that I am in a page right here, just like this. And let's say I want to find certain thing on this page. In that case, what you can do is you can go around onto the three dot button right here, and then what you can do is go to find on page. You can also alternatively go around and press Ctrl F on your keyboard and you get the exact find option right here. So let's just go around over here and type in, let's say, S just like this, and then the S simply pops up right here. You can go to the next S right here just like this, or go back over here just like this as well, and the individual words right here are highlighted over here one by one, as you can see, just like this. Apart from that, you can go around onto filter, and you can also make sure that the case is matched. So the S with capital E is not selected anymore, as you can see. You can also make sure that the whole word is matched. Let's say, for example, I just want to go around with Microsoft Edge right here just like this, and then what happens is that you can see that, let me just go around over here, and then let me just remove this out as well, and let me just add in micro right here just like this. You can see that micro is actually selected and soft is not selected. But if I were to select match whole word, then it'll only highlight the micro word without anything before or after that right here. And this is how you can go around and then find contents on page inside of Microsoft Edge. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.